Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to download songs on iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Safari browser. Okay, search on pixabay.com. Then all videos, show your all videos, and search on song. Just click, then all song show. Just click download button, then download. Just click download, then download it. Click on this option and tap on share icon. Scroll down, tap on save videos. Just click and save. Check your songs. Click on photos, then download this song. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.